Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, my name is Bhagyashree Supekar and my group members are Aniket Sherke, Abhishek Bagade and Pratik Tilekar. So we are doing project under the project-based learning activity. So our project name is Implementation of Encryption and Decryption Algorithm. Our project is guided by Swapnaja Uble ma'am. So these are the contents of our project. For this project, we have to know what is cryptography. So basically, cryptography is associated with the process of converting ordinary plain text into unintelligible text and vice versa. It is the method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those for whom it is intended can read and process it. So cryptography includes two main processes. First, encryption and second, decryption. So, encryption is defined as conversion of something to code or symbol so that its content can be understood if intercepted. Simple terms, encryption takes plain text and convert it into an unreadable text, which is called as ciphertext, as shown in the block diagram below. So the decryption is the conversion of encrypted data into its original form. In simple terms, decryption takes unreadable data or ciphertext and convert it into readable text or plain text. Basically, decryption is the reverse process of encryption, as shown in a block diagram below. So our working methodology is we have to do some coding through a Scratch or any programming setup for the process of encryption and decryption. So we take a plain text with the help of encryption process coding. We convert it into a ciphertext, and then again with the help of decryption process, we convert that ciphertext into a plain text. So it's a basically encryption and decryption process. So this is the coding image of encryption. In this image, we can see, hey, how it's hanging is a plain text, and we convert it into a ciphertext. We can see it below. So this is the coding image of decryption. We can see a ciphertext is converted into again plain text, like how it's hanging. You can see it below. So these are the advantages of encryption and decryption. So first is separation. The data is separated from the security of the device when you use encryption. The encryption is also secure and allows administrator to store and transmit data through unsecured means. Encryption process ensures us that our data can't be easily hacked or breached. So the data is encrypted directly and hence it is protected regardless of how it is transmitted. Encryption of your data ensures that a person who has the key to decoding the data is the only person who can read it. So the disadvantages of our project or encryption and decryption is encryption keys. It is extremely elaborate work for IT professional, and handling all the keys requires a lot of efforts. Once the encryption key is lost, the data associated with it will also be lost. The second is expenses. The data encryption is quite expensive. And the third one is unrealistic requirements. So the applications of encryption and decryption algorithm is digital signature, time stamping, electronic money, encryption decryption in emails, encryption in WhatsApp, encryption in Instagram, SIM card authentication. So conclusion of our project is encryption and decryption provides safety for the way of communication. So no third party can know what message we have sent. Again, user can use any application without hesitating or a fear of his or her information or some important stuff getting leaked. And also for the creator, it's also user friendly to use. So thank you. This is our project for project-based learning activity. Thank you.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.